Hello, everyone. Welcome to another assessment for our CAA aspirants. And for this week, we shall be focusing on diagnosis according to the 6 stages, 4 levels, and the Sanjiao. Let's start the ball rolling with the first one. The first question. Sir Mark, what is EPI?
API, external pathogenic influence.
Okay, galing naman. Okay. So it's basically invasion of external pathogenic factors. Okay.
Yes po.
Don't worry, we're going to give you a copy of the answer sheet of the key. Okay, what does EPI pattern diagnosis include?
EPI pattern diagnosis includes such as wind, cold, heat, dampness, dryness, and summer heat.
Hmm, okay, that's correct, but I think you need to add
4 levels pattern
yeah,
diagnosis.
yeah, it's basically what we're going to talk about today, no? The Sanjiao pattern and the 6 stages. Okay, so
Apo.
pattern diagnosis classified into following syndromes according to their different stages of development. And what are they?
Taiyang exterior wind cold, Yangming exterior heat, Shaoyang half exterior, half interior, Taiyin spleen deficiency, Shaoyan heart kidney deficiency, Juyin mix and cold and heat.
Okay, this is Joy na nagkamali ako sa pag-type. Sorry. Wow, galing naman kumpleto. Okay. Number 4. Please describe the so-called Tai-Yang meridian syndrome. Remember, this is a syndrome.
Six stage of disease, lista siyang handon. It represents the body initial response to an external pathogenic invasions, typically wind, cold, wind, heat, and the stage as pathogen state or the steer affecting the bladder, small intestines, meridians.
So basically, it's more on the superficial because every time the EPF attacks the body, it will attack the first one, the Tai-Yang channel, no? So meridian syndromes are more common in the clinic than the full organ ones. So basically, what we should be very familiar here are yung tinatawag nating wind heat invasion, wind cold invasion, or even number four,
Uh,
where does the Han Tai-Yang connect to?
Small intestine channels.
Wow. Ano? Yeah, okay. Sa ano na to? Sa organ. Kasi Han Tai-Yang is already the channel itself, no? What about the foot Tai-Yang? Where does it connect to?
Sa Cappadoc is urinary bladder
Okay.
channels.
Now let's talk about the common manifestations of Tai-Yang meridian syndrome.
Sa akin po, tayang and cold, mild severe. Exterior cold with attacking the body. Tayang with heat, severe heat invasions. Tayang water tensions. Cold moving inward affecting the bladder. Tayang blood stasis, severe cold leading to stagnation.
Okay, can you describe the pulse in Tai-Yang meridian syndrome?
Um, pag pulse po pinag-uusapan pag tayang, di ba cold is
Okay. Pag cold, wind cold, anong mangyayari sa pulse?
parang medyo mabagal siya to.
Di ba siya tight? Yeah, mabagal.
Tight,
Yung
tight
pinaka-indicative of the Tai-Yang, will it be superficial or deep?
superficial.
Okay. How do the chills and fever occur? Do they occur at the same time or do they simultaneously or do they occur one after the other?
Um, tignan ko ba?
Alam mo yan,
Simultaneously.
di ba sinugot mo na yung ano natin last time, di ba? Alam mo yan, they always occur together. There's chills, there's also fever, di ba? And
Yes po.
yeah, there's also
Ay,
aversion. Yeah, yun. Kaya mo yan. And also rigidity of the neck. Now let's go
apo.
to, let's be more specific. Tayang meridian syndrome. of attack by wind or exterior deficiency syndrome, what causes this?
Weak Wei Qi deficits energy, unable to fully resist pathogen, wind cold invasions caused by exposures to cold with sudden weather change, pre-existing Qi deficiency from chronic illness, poor lifestyles, or stress.
Okay, because of the attack of the body surface by the wind, there will now be disharmony between the Ying Qi and the Wei Qi. Diba? Yun yun. So that's why you have the syndrome. What about if the attack is caused by, let's talk about manifestations by exterior wind.
Pag exterior wind po, pinag-uusapan po, mild fever and aversions to wind, sweating, headache and stiff neck, nasal congestion, sneezing, yun po, Doc. Floating and moderate pulse po.
Okay, ito kasi, the wind is, it could be wind cold or wind heat. So my question is, how do you differentiate?
Kapag yung mild fever aversions to wind to wind po, the body protective Wei Qi is weak leading, mahina po yung Wei Qi niya po.
Mhm.
Sensitivity to the wind po, Doc.
Okay. What causes the neck pain or the occipital headache there? Bakit when you have Taiyang meridian syndrome, so that means there is an exterior invasion by wind, no ba? Pwedeng cold, pwedeng heat. The question,
Yes po.
why is there pain? Why is there occipital pain? Or why is there neck rigidity or stiffness?
Siguro, Doc, because of the invading of the wind.
Yeah,
Oo.
because of the wind, it blocks.
And cold attack, Doc.
Binablock niya si Taiyang meridian, di ba?
And dagdag ko lang do, kasi wind at saka cold, nagkukos siya ng constriction, so maninigas siya, kaya nagre-rigid. So pag nag-rigid siya, magkakaroon ng stasis, stasis, so kaya may pain siya, parang pupapasok na siya sa B syndrome.
Okay, excellent. Galing. Next question, sir. Thank you so much for that, Madam M. Another question for Sir Mark, no? How would you know if the pathogen is wind cold or if the pathogen is wind heat? Will they manifest the same symptoms? Like sabi mo kasi, there will be both fever and chills. So how do you ano ko malalaman kung wind cold, kung wind heat? Okay, so pag wind heat, do you expect the fever to be, to be more prominent, or should it be the chills? Or should it be the
Kapag wind heat po, nagchichill po yung
Yeah,
nagchichill po yung patient.
pero mas prominent ang fever, di ba?
Yes
Whereas
po.
pag wind cold, mas dramatic yung kanyang chills or aversion to cold. Do you agree?
Yes po, Doc.
And also, when you look at the tongue, I don't know if it's here, ha? Yeah, wala. Remember, we would like everyone to be very good at tongue analysis, no? So when you look at the tongue, how would you know if it's wind heat invasion, and how would you know if it's wind cold invasion?
Kapag wind heat invasions po, Doc, meron po itong parang yellow coating.
Sure ka? Yellow coating ka agad? Remember, that's just
Wala.
superficial pa. Do you want to say something, Madam M?
Madam M.
Hindi kasi pag sinabi mong Taiyang, wala pa siya, hindi pa siya pumapasok sa loob, kaya wala pang manifestation sa dila.
Yeah.
Wala pang symptom, wala lahat sa dila.
May
So
Wala sa dila.
it may remain normal or a little bit pale at saka may konting moist. Parang normal lang din, hindi pa siya masyadong nagmamanifest.
Yeah, at saka kung
Kasi
Yeah.
Opo. Wala pa po kasi siya sa organ.
Oo.
It hasn't reached the organs yet.
Yes. Kung meron man, you might notice a very slight parang mga red spots on the sa sides and the tip, no? But you barely notice it, no? What about wing cold? So paano mo malalaman? So you will not be relying on tongue alone, di ba? Kasi sabi niyo nga there's not much to see on the tongue. So how will I confirm it? Like what else will I do? What else do I do?
The pulse.
Yeah, how? Alam niyo yan. So kung ano,
Check
Ah,
would you like to say
okay, check
something?
the pulse.
check the pulse.
The question is how? Like, okay, how will I know if
Take the
it's wind cold or if it's wind heat?
Mm.
The for cold, the pulse would be superficial, and then sorry. Pag
Both would-
heat, it's rapid, and
Tama.
if it's cold, weak, siya, slow.
So both will be
Mm.
superficial. No, actually, it should be it should not only be slow, but it should be tight. Tandaan
Ayun.
ulit
Ay,
na
opo, tight.
Cold,
Tight po siya. Kasi, add ko lang, Doc. Add ko lang, kasi pag sinabi mong tayang superficial, bakit siya floating? Kasi floating siya because yung defensive chi is still, lumalaban siya sa superficial.
Intact
Kaya
pa.
ganun, intact pa. So, lumalaban yung defensive chi. That's why the pulse is floating. Ngayon, it will depend kung slow siya, kung rapid siya. It depends on kung heat ba siya or cold.
Okay, my next question is, this is very basic. Why is there fever?
Mm.
Alam nyo yan. Nakalimutan nyo lang. Paulit-ulit na lang to, ha?
Sorry, Doc. What's the question? Again?
Yes, please.
Why is there fever?
Hmm.
Very fear.
Fever
You know
kasi
the
shows
answer.
heat eh.
You know the answer. What is fever? What
Yeah.
is happening
Kasi
when
may
there's
deficiency
fever?
na siya ng Indo.
Kasi lumalaban pa si
You use
defensive
the
chi.
word. There's a
Yes, ma'am.
struggle. There's a fight between
Mhm. Between weights.
the
Yes.
external
The
pathogenic
exterior at saka
and your
weight chi.
yes.
Defensive
Wait,
chi.
Yin
if you
and
are
yang.
not that deficient, but if you're deficient, if you have yung tinatawag nating how do you call it? More comorbidities, we know welcome it's si pathogenic factor. Pumapasok siya. So interior ka agad, 'di ba? So tegi ka.
Diretso.
Yes.
Walang harang, walang defense.
Yeah. Excited? Next.
Yes.
Sir Mark, we're not done with you yet. Sabi mo hanggang 50.
Wala ka.
What causes the Taiyang syndrome of attack by cold or exterior excess?
It is occurs when the body is invaded by cold pathogenic factor, while the Wei-Qi defensive energy remains strong, leading to an excess condition. These syndromes primarily affect the Taiyang meridians, which includes bladder and small intestine channel.
Because the Wei Qi is obstructed, no, as emphasized by Madam M kanina, no?
Yes.
So the Wei Qi is obstructed because when it's cold, remember the pathogen is exterior cold, no? So malamig to. So there will be tightening. That's why you have what's this? Tight pulse. And so, yung pa lang, naka-tighten siya, barado yung Wei Qi mo. Okay? Next. What about manifestations of Taiyang syndrome of attack by cold or exterior excess?
Exterior excess syndrome manifestation, severe chills with mild fever, no sweating, headache and stiff neck, body aches, and joint pain, nasal congestions or clear runny nose, sneezing, and cough with thin clear mucus, bloating and tight pulse, tongue, thin white coating.
Why is there no sweating?
Dahil po Doc na
Alam mo yan.
oo, dahil po Doc na sa wind, dahil sa cold invasions niya po Doc.
Okay. What does it do to your pores?
Closes.
Closes the
Close.
pores. Yeah.
Sasarado po Doc.
Yes, very good. Number 12, let's go to water retention syndrome. Ito yung common dito sa mga naulanan, kaya lumalaki na yung mukha. Di ba?
Ganun.
Yun.
Ah.
Okay. Sir Mark.
Tayong manifestations po, difficulty urinary, dysuria or scanty urine. The cold pathogens affect the bladder, preventing proper urinations, fullness and distensions in the lower abdomen, water retention leads to bloating and discomfort. Thirst with a desire to drink, cold construct the body ability to absorb fluid proper and fever.
Okay, so what do you think is the primary manifestation here? Like para malaman mo may water retention syndrome.
Edema, Doc.
Hindi mo kaagad.
Swollen.
Di ba iba na yun?
Swollen.
Masyado na yung internal, di ba? There will be fullness in the lower abdomen. There is this
Lower abdomen, Doc.
nagbo-bloated yung feeling. Okay, what is causing the water retention syndrome in Tayang?
Water retention syndrome tayong caused by cold invasion, bladder dysfunction, water retentions, abdominal fullness, inhibited urinations, rebellious stomach chi, vomiting after drinking water.
Okay, here you could really see that there is always transformation, diba? So if there is invasion of heat, invasion of the urinary bladder by heat in the Taiyang, it turns to heat. Hindi na siya cold. Okay? Nag-change siya. So there is disturbance in chi transformation. So what happens? There will be water retention. Why is there water retention? Because na-invade ang urinary bladder by heat. Okay, what causes the Taiyang Fu? Take note, this is already organ. Hindi lang siya superficial. Organ na siya. Taiyang Fu organ syndromes. What causes it?
Sa akin, Doc, merong syndrome cause tsaka pathogenesis. Invasion of urinary bladder by BPS and relief ingredients pattern.
Okay. So ibig sabihin, this is really you just don't ignore this, no? Kasi the bladder can easily be invaded. So as much as possible, the pathogen should stay in the meridian. Okay? So never allow it to interiorize. Kasi 'di ba, like iba ang bladder channel, iba ang bladder organ. Okay? So once
So parang ano na to, Doc, subacute na siya. Hindi na siya acute.
hindi na.
Subacute na.
Ibig sabihin, ang tumingin, hindi magaling. Imagine, pumunta sa iyo yung pasyente. Or most of the time, ito yung makikita mo, di ba? Full organ na yan. Organ is different from the channel. Kanina, we were talking about bladder and small intestine channels, no? And now ito, the full organ, the bladder, no? Now, what about blood retention syndrome in Taiyang? What causes it?
Occurs when an unresolved Taiyang cold syndrome transforms into heat, which then enters the bladder organ and causes blood stasis. This condition results in abdominal pain, urinary dysfunction, and possible hematuria, blood in urine.
Very good. Well researched. Okay, what are the manifestations of blood retention syndrome?
Lower abdomen fullness and pain, often worse with pressure, dark or purplish complexions, mental restlessness or mania, due to the heat disturbing the shen, blackish turning stools indicate of internal blood stasis, purple or dark tongue, sometimes with petechiae or white coating.
What about the pulse? Very important. Will you still expect a superficial pulse?
Yes, deep and choppy
Hindi na siya
superficie.
pumasok na eh, 'di ba?
Mas na po siya.
Choppy and deep. Yeah.
Yes
Now
po.
let's go to Yang Ming stage. I presume
Yang Ming
alam na natin kung ano yung Yang Ming, no? Stomach, LI and stomach. Stomach and LI.
Elias po.
Yeah. Please tell us
Represent
about it.
represent and deeper progressions of its external pathogenic invasion, typically caused by unresolved Taiyan condition, is characterized by internal excess heat due to the strong pathogenic factor consuming by fluids.
Okay, very good. Interior na to, ah. Hand Yang Ming connects to what?
Large intestine,
Foot Yang Ming connects to
stomach meridian,
what causes Yang Ming stage or excess heat syndrome?
unresolved external pathogenic Taiyan to Yang Ming progression, excess heat due to the overconsumption of yang energy.
Okay, what else? Another cause of
Improper treatment or suppression of exterior pathogens, pure dietary habits leading to internal heat, emotional stress leading to internal heat transforming into the fire.
there are also some people who are prone to be invaded by wind cold because they have constitutional deficiency. They were born that way, no? Let's describe the Yang Ming meridian syndrome. Do not confuse this with the organ syndrome. So Yang Ming meridian
Ah,
syndrome, stomach and LI meridian.
stomach and large intestine.
Ano yung pinaka
Similar
yeah.
Similar J-level pattern of retentions of heated stomach, characterized by four bigs, fever, thirst, sweating, and pulse.
Yes. Four bigs.
Ito yung constipation, no?
Pag meron na to,
Oo.
Yang Ming na yan. Ha? Yang Ming na syndrome. Fever,
Fever.
sweating, pulse. Mabilis yung pulse. Next. What are the manifestations aside from the ones you mentioned?
High fever, strong, persistent fever, usually in the afternoon, profuse sweating due to the excess heat, pushing fluid outward, extreme thirst, strong desires for cold drinks, forceful yung pulse niya, rapid yung pulse niya, indicates excess heat and strong chi circulation.
Okay, very good. Now let's go to the Yang Ming Fu syndrome, the organa. What happens here? Can you describe it?
Excessive heat accumulation in the stomach and large intestine, po organ, leading to heat, binding, and dryness in the interior of the stage, typically meridian syndromes, and involve both heat stagnation in the digestive tract.
Very good. Manifestations.
Fever,
Anong klaseng fever?
fever, symptoms, persistence, high fever, often worse in the afternoon,
Yeah.
abdominal fullness, stations, and feeling of bloating, and hardness in the abdomen, often painful. Severe constipations or dry stools hitting the intestine cause stool to harden, making it difficult to pass.
Okay, so obvious na yung tongue, ha? Napaka-obvious na. 4 words to remember, the Yang Ming Fu organ syndrome.
Forward reminder, Yang Ming's poor organ syndromes, dryness, distensions, constipation, heat.
The Chinese. Sige, iba yan. Pi man jiao shi. Sheer. Yan. P fullness hindi. Okay, basahin nyo na lang to. Let's go to Shaoyang syndrome.
Changyang syndrome descriptions, half exterior and half interior, It occurs when an external pathogenic such as wind cold has not been fully expelled but also has not penetrated deeply into the organs.
So between interior and exterior, what causes the Shaoyang syndrome?
Unresolved exterior pathogen, wind cold or wind heat invasion, disarming the liver and gallbladder. This result is alternating chills and fever, bitter taste, hypochondriac discomfort, and digestive disturbance. Yan po.
The number one cause is if you were unable to treat properly the Taiyang syndrome. Okay. Yon. Yung iba kasi hindi naman masyadong chine-check, no? Hindi niya alam ang difference ng Shaoyang sa Taiyang. Okay, hand Shaoyang connects to
Sign Chow Tripper Barner.
foot Shaoyang connects to foot Shaoyang.
Wait lang po, Doc. Puchayos connect to... Ay,
Di ba alam mo na?
okay.
Gallbladder.
Gallbladder. Sige na, maubos ko.
Gallbladder.
Alam mo yan, huwag ka masyadong dependent sa kodigo. Okay. Manifestation of the Shaoyang syndrome.
Alternating chills and fever, fullness of discomfort in the chest, hypochondrium, bitter taste in the mouth, sign of gallbladder heat, dizziness due to the G stagnation of right gallbladder meridian.
Okay, what's the difference?
Irritability.
Yeah. Sige, go. Please, I'm sorry.
Ano po, Doc, tanong niyo, Doc?
Can you differentiate the chills and fever sa Taiyang syndrome from Shaoyang syndrome? Kasi may chills and
Call
fever
a friend.
dito, diba? Would you like to call a friend or you will
Ma'am Mercy, gusto ko po puti.
Oo. Gusto kong sagutin. Yung sa tayong kasi, ang the fever and chills in Taiyang syndrome is simultaneous, meaning sabay. Sa Shaoyang, ang fever and chills alternating. Hindi
Okay.
sila nagsasabay.
Yes. Okay, very good. Now let's go to Taiyin stage, Sir Mark. Describe it.
Young stage, tying, yang ming, showering. To a causative condition affecting the skin and lungs, the pathogen has moved deeper in the body, leading to skin Qi deficiency with cold, damp accumulations in the middle jaw, digestive system.
Okay. Han Taiyin connects to
And tie-ins, lungs meridians connect to the large intestine.
ano?
Lungs meridians po, Doc.
Okay. Han Taiyin connects to what organ?
Spleen meridian, Doc.
Hindi. Organ to eh.
Organ.
Lung.
Lungs meridian, Doc. Sorry. Knockout po nanay
Ano
ko
sabing
eh.
meridian? Diretso to sa organ. Foot Taiyin connects to what organ?
Spleen.
Okay. What causes the Taiyin stage?
Internal cord pathogen, weak spleen and lung pain, improper diet, chronic illness, or weak constitution.
Number one cause is wrong treatment of the 3 young meridians. Okay.
Mag-aaral ako.
Manifestations of Taiyin stage.
Digestive symptoms, abdominal fullness and bloating, poor appetite, cold and dampness, fatigue, lethargy, pale complexions, tongue and pulse diagnosis, tongue pale with a white greasy coating, pulse, slow, weak, and deep.
Okay. Okay, let's go to Shaoyin stage. Describe it.
6 stage of cold disease theory from the Shanghan, Long by Zhang Dongjing. It represents in deep interior deficiency syndromes affecting the heart and kidney. At this stage, the body yang is severely weakened, leading to the either cold transformation, Shaoyin cold, or heat transformations, Shaoyin heat.
Okay, very good. Han Shaoyin connects to
Heart.
Foot Shaoyin connects to
Kidney.
yes. Causes of Shaoyin stage.
Huwag kayo maingay. Huwag kayo maingay, sumasagot ako. Ay, naku. Sorry, stage. May tandok ka.
Okay, can somebody take over?
Do ka pasagot na sa iba, naano ko sa ingay.
Sige. May I read? Okay. Sige, let's go to may I call on okay, can you do the honors, please, Madam M?
Oh, 39.
Mm.
Okay, 39, Shaoyin stage caused by other meridian syndrome, inappropriate treatment of kidney and heart deficiency, weakness of the heart and heart and kidney leading to Shaoyin syndrome, leading to cold transformation syndrome or heat transformation syndrome, direct attack of EPF to Shaoyin meridian due to constitutional deficiency of heart plus kidney.
So if you have comorbidity or you were really born to have weak heart and kidneys, then it's easy for you to be afflicted with this stage. So what are the two patterns in Shaoyin stage?
The cold transformation, which is the kidney, heart, yang deficiency with empty cold, and the heat transformation, which is the kidney, heart, yang deficiency with empty heat.
Okay, good. Let's talk about cold transformation syndrome. What is it?
The cold transformation is, of course, it's the kidney or heart yang deficiency with empty cold. There is chills, feeling of cold, lying with body curled, listlessness, desire to sleep, cold limbs, diarrhea, no thirst, frequent failure, urination, pale and wet tongue with white coating, deep, weak, slow pulse.
Okay, good. Heat transformation syndrome.
And the heat transformation syndrome, kidney and heart deficiency with empty heat, feeling of heat, irritability, insomnia, dry mouth and throat at night, dark urine, night sweating, red tongue without coating, and fine throbbing pulse.
Okay, good. Now let's go to the Julian stage. Describe it.
Julian refers to the febrile disease in their most complex and final stage, characterized by heat above involving the pericardium and liver, and cold below involving kidney and spleen.
Heat above, cold below. What causes the Julian stage?
It causes caused by lesser yang or the Shaoyang pattern and roundworms infestations.
Wrong or inappropriate treatment then, no? So as much as possible, we do not the patients don't come to us at this stage, rarely. Usually sa hospital na sila, diba? So hand Julian connects to
the pericardium.
Foot Julian connects to
the liver.
Manifestations of the Julian stage.
Persistent thirst, feeling of energy rising to the chest, pain and heat sensation in heart region, hungry but no desire to eat, cold limbs, diarrhea, vomiting, and vomiting of roundworms.
Okay, heat above, cold below.
Heat above, cold below.
Okay, the identification of patterns according to the 6 stages was formulated in the what?
In the year AD 150 to 219 by Zhang Zongjing.
So it's called the Sanghan Lun.
Ah, siya nga.
Okay, punta na tayo. What is the greater yin stage characterized by?
Characterized by spring yang deficiency with cold.
Yeah, very good. Treatment principle for the bright yang channel pattern.
Clear heat or drain fire from the stomach and intestines and move it downward.
Okay. See? Channel pattern pa lang yan, ha? Dapat kiniklear mo na yung stomach heat. Deep, full, slippery rapid pulse belongs to the organ pattern of what stage?
The bright yang, the yang yin organ pattern.
Ang galing. In the lesser yang stage, the pathogenic factors oscillate between what two stages?
The great yang and bright yang stages.
Okay. Which stage is characterized with heat above and cold below?
The Julian stage.
Yes, or the terminal yin. Aversion to cold and feeling of heat alternating is true in regards to?
Lesser yang or Xiaoyang pattern.
Yes, yun yun yung kanilang parallel, parang, lesser yang stage. Alam naman natin. The tongue coating in the lesser yang stage is?
With unilateral thin white coating.
Yes, unilateral. That's why you may have noticed some patients have that, no? Sa isang side lang. The point prescription, LI 11 to 14, PC3, stomach 44, 43, treats which stage?
Bright yang or yang ming pattern.
The channel pattern, bright yang channel pattern. The lesser yin stage involves?
The heart and kidney yin and yang deficiency.
Yes. Which organ can be affected with accumulation of water or blood in the greater yang stage or the Tai yang stage? This was
It's
discussed.
the bladder.
Yes. Constipation is a manifestation for differentiation between channel pattern and organ pattern of what?
The large intestine and stomach.
Yeah, bright yang, no?
Bright yang.
Stage disease. The 4 levels are?
The wei, the qi, the yin, and the blood.
Yes. 4 levels are about description of change in pathology from?
Invasion of wind heat.
Very good. Defensive chi. What are the 4 patterns of the defensive chi level?
The wind heat, the summer heat, damp heat, and dry heat.
Great. Blanc level is the beginning stage of invasions of wind heat, only the exterior level.
Defensive chi level or the wei qi.
Yung una-una talaga. Blanc level is the most superficial of the 3 interior levels.
It's the chi level.
It seems that your internet connection is now perfect. Good.
Huh?
Nakakapanibago. Ang ganda na, ang galing na.
Okay.
Compare
Yes.
defensive chi and the chi level.
Okay. In the wei level, external food heat, for organs not affected, located in the exterior upright chi, reacts to interior, which means may aversion to cold,
Mhm.
while chi level has internal food heat, organs are affected, located in the interior, which means the upright chi reacts in the interior, it has and no aversion to cold.
Yeah, that's why it's so important to really know how to do pulse, right?
Yes, doc.
It makes a lot of difference between the wei and the chi level. Next, what are the 5 chi level patterns?
There are the lung heat, which is the heat in the chest and the diaphragm, the stomach heat, the intestines dry heat, gallbladder heat, and damp heat in the stomach and spleen.
Okay, good. What are the 2 patterns for the nutritive level or the yin level?
It's the heat in nutritive level and heat in pericardium.
The 5 blood level patterns or the shui.
It's the heat, victorious moving blood, heat, victorious steering wind, empty wind agitating in the interior, collapse of yin, and collapse of yang.
Okay, 4 levels are very similar in symptoms to the 6 stages. Wei, Qi, Ying blood. Ano yung corresponding level nila?
Yung Wei is the Taiyang, and the Qi level is Yangming, the bright yang stage, or the specifically the channel and organ pattern. In the Ying, it's the Shaoyin, heat, and the blood is the Juyin, similar to Ying level but more heat.
Yes. Okay. What do we have here? Can you give the diagnosis?
Okay. And in this item number 70, aversion to cold, sore throat, fever, slight sweating, yellow runny nose, swollen tonsils, body aches, red, front or side within white floating rapid pattern is wind heat in the Wei level.
Or the Wei level or defensive Qi level. Next, what's the pattern?
The pattern is summer heat in the Wei level.
Wow. Galing. Next, what's the pattern?
It's damp heat in the Wei level.
Next, pattern.
It's dry heat in the Wei level.
Great. Next.
It's the lung heat in the Qi level.
So this is obviously lung because of the cough, right? No aversion to cold. Yeah, nasa Qi level na. That is why if you have a patient who comes to you, hindi na wala nang chills, hindi na siya nagkukumot, that's definitely Qi level na, no? Hinuhubad na niya. Kasi mainit na, no? So lung heat, very good. What's the pattern here?
It's stomach heat in the Qi level.
Yeah. There are patients who will tell you, why do I have fever in the afternoons, no? So alam niyo na kaagad ano yon. So to be more specific, it's Qi level pero stomach heat. Next. So it's this one.
Item number 76 is intestines dry heat, Qi level.
Okay, what made you give the diagnosis?
Because of the high fever and the high afternoon constipation especially, and the dry stools, burning anus, abdominal fullness. Kasi po yung hindi na po gumagalaw yung kanyang chi, wala na siyang puwersa to expel the stools, kaya nag-constipate na siya. And since there is heat, nagbo-burn na yung kanyang anus.
Wow.
So, it feels heat.
Okay, sana nakarelate yung iba. What's the pattern here? Alternating hot and cold feeling. This is a given.
It's gallbladder heat in the Qi level.
And I'm sure the bitter taste here is also a leading, it gives you a clue already, right? Next, what's the answer here?
It's damp heat in stomach and spleen in Qi level.
Very good. Mental restlessness. Insomnia.
That's that's heat in Yin level, not the same Qi level.
Great. Yes. Usually these are not the patients that come to us directly. Yung Ying level. Rare lang. Next. Answer.
It's heat in the pericardium in nutritive Qi level.
Yeah. Cold hands and feet. No? Then the body is hot. Remember? Hot above, cold below. Okay. Pattern.
Heat, victorious moving blood in the blood level.
Yes. Blood level ito. This is serious, huh? Okay. Next.
It's heat, victorious steering wind in the blood level.
So because of the convulsions, episotonus, and they usually don't go to the clinic anymore. They go to the hospital. Pero malay mo, if time will come, you will be in the hospital. That was actually the dream of the great Doctora Palang, to see her
Yes,
students
yes.
aligning themselves in the hospital. So let's work really, really hard. First, we need to make the
Yes.
doctors like us. How will they like us if our knowledge is so minuscule, no? So
Di ba?
we should be strategic partners. So yun lang talaga. Let's really, really work hard and we'll make it happen. Thank you. Malay mo.
Mm.
That's what I remember. No? Sabi niya sana, Bong, sabi niya, the students will be
It will happen. Though.
medical
It will happen.
Oh my God. Coming from you, it will happen.
The
Ay, hello,
oracle has
Dr.
spoken.
Gavino. Dr.
Yes.
Gavino. Yeah, because also Dr. Gavino, ang ka-level
Good
ni Doktora,
afternoon
yan
po,
na
Dr.
na si Doktora.
Gavino.
Hello, Dr. Gavino. Mukhang init-init ngayon dyan, ha? The legendary.
Mag-spring na kasi.
Uy, I heard ang dami nang naka-line up for the INSA, no? Yamamoto New Scalp Acupuncture.
Nasa 40 plus na ata daw.
Oh my God, paano kayo magkakasya doon?
Hello?
Alam kay Sir Albert.
Dalawang batch yan.
Dr. Gavino, hopefully in Cebu very soon. No? Don't
Oh.
worry. We'll make it. So,
Yeah.
yun. Thank you. Mukhang init na init dito. O sige, maingat kayo kasi andyan. Okay, next.
Yes.
What is the pattern here?
It's collapsopine in the blood level.
Mhm. What makes you say that?
Collapsopine means, of course,
Wala
wala na siyang yin. Wala na siyang yin. Pag wala na siyang yin, so the blood is dried. So, blood na yung affected sa kanya. Kaya nasa blood level na siya.
Hmm.
Wala na rin wala na si Chi, wala na si Yang. Though andun pa si Yang, kaya lang wala na siyang ipupush.
Oo. This is very common, especially if you're assigned in the hospital. Tingnan nyo na yung forehead. What's your pattern here?
It's the Yang collapse in the
Yeah.
blood level.
Nakakatakot na to, di ba? Nag-collapse na yung yang. Tapos may mga pearl sweat, parang mga
Yeah.
oily yung sweat na, parang mga perlas.
Yan na yung pinaka-last stage eh.
Yes. Okay, let's go to the Sanjiao na. Sanjiao patterns. What's the function of Sanjiao?
Sanjiao is the water passage and body fluids. Harmonizes and cleanses fluid circulation of full body, including lymphatic system and interstitial fluids. It transforms, transports, and excretes fluids from the body. Facilitates sweat formation in upper burner, stomach fluids in middle burner and urine, and fluids in stools in lower burner.
Yeah. So, if I'm not mistaken, this is actually the interstitial fluid na. No? It's
So lymphatic system po siya.
So parang it's like if you look at the second function here, distributes the yuan source qi from the kidneys to the burners, upper, middle, lower. Okay, what are the upper burner patterns?
Wind heat in the lungs, defensive qi portion, heat in the lungs in the qi level, heat in the pericardium nutritive level, and damp heat in the upper jaw.
Middle burner patterns.
It's heat in the right yang, damp heat in spleen, and damp heat in the middle jaw.
Okay. Lower burner patterns.
It's the heat in kidneys, liver heat, fierce wind, liver, empty wind, damp heat in the lower jaw.
Upper burner warmth patterns.
Heat in the lungs in the qi level. Okay. Fever, sweating, breathlessness, thirst, feeling of oppression and pain of the chest, red tongue with yellow coating, rapid overflowing pulse, and the heat in the pericardium in the nutritive level, which is high fever at night, burning sensation of the epigastrium, cold limbs, delirium, aphasia, deep red and stiff tongue without coating, pulse is fine and rapid.
Great. Treatment principle for upper burner warmth.
For the heat in the lungs, clear lung heat, resolve phlegm, restore the descending lung chi. And for the heat in the pericardium, clear heat in the pericardium, restore consciousness and promote fluid.
Upper burner damp heat pattern. Can you describe
Uh,
what happens here?
in the upper burner damp heat pattern, it is the same as invasion of wind heat at the defensive chi level at the 4 levels. And the symptoms are severe aversion to cold, mild fever or absence of fever, a heavy sensation in the head as if it were tightly wrapped by a cloth, heaviness of the limbs and trunk, a stifling sensation in the chest, absence of thirst, dull facial expression, gastric fullness and distension, poor appetite, poor rhythmus, loose stools, white sticky coating of the tongue, and soft slowing down pulse.
Treatment principle.
Okay. Treatment principle is warm and scatter the exterior down.
Okay, let's now go to let's describe the yang brightness warm disease pattern.
It is stomach heat at the chi level of the 4 levels. Symptoms: high fever that's worse in the afternoon, no aversion to cold, feeling of heat, intense thirst, profuse sweating, red tongue with yellow coating, overflowing rapid pulse.
Treatment plan.
It's clear stomach heat.
Stomach heat.
Ah,
You solve the damp and gender fluids. Mag-generate ka ng fluids. Next, let's go to the middle burner damp warm patterns. Describe it.
It is damp heat in stomach and spleen from the chi level of the 4 level. Symptoms: fever, epigastric fullness, a feeling of heaviness of the body and head, nausea, vomiting, red tongue with sticky yellow coating, soggy, and rapid pulse.
Treatment principle.
Clear heat and resolve dampness in the skin.
Okay. Lower burner
Oh.
warmth disease pattern.
Heat transformation from the lesser yin stage of the 6 stages. Ay, hindi ko natapos. Fever and my red face.
Yeah, the tongue would be red with a yellow coat. Pulse, fine, rapid, floating, and empty, unrooted. Principle.
Principle: nourish the yin, drain heat from the liver, nourish liver yin, and calm yin.
Good. Now let's discuss the lower burner damp heat pattern.
Well, it leads to dysfunction of transformation and distribution, persistent fever, lower abdomen fullness, constipation, retention of urine, dysuria, thirst with desire to drink small sips.
Okay. What would you rather use? Damp heat in the bladder or lower burner damp heat pattern? Mas maganda yung Zangfu, no? Anyway, this is just for academic purposes. Para alam natin that there's such thing as Sanjiao patterns. Treatment principle.
Treatment principle for lower burner damp heat: conduct turbid downward and relieve accumulation.
Okay. General treatment principle for upper burner.
Expel the wind heat, activate wei qi.
Okay, you have to make sure na papawis siya, diba? General treatment principle for middle burner.
Drain heat from the stomach and large intestine.
I-harmonize.
Harmonize.
General treatment principle for lower burner.
It's drain the damp heat from the lower jaw.
Purge, yeah. Drain or eliminate. Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Excellent talaga, believe na talaga ako. Ang ganda na talaga ng ano mo. Yun nga lang, buti hindi ka. Nandyan ka sa balcony.
Nasa balcony. Eh, maganda kasi dito ang hangin at saka maganda na yung ano.
Okay.
Ganda dito.
Yeah. So,
overlooking the C5, the full passing.
yeah. Fresh din ang air pa, di ba? Oo.
Yes,
At least,
fresh ang air. So, maganda
umaabot
na.
ba dyan yung ano, yung pag nag-spew ng lava ang ang taas
Mm.
lang.
Hindi naman po.
Malayo.
Tanaw lang yung Laguna de Bay,
Pasig, di
pero
ba? Pasig.
opo, Pasig.
Anong floor ka? Nasa 30th?
Hindi po. Please.
Yes. Maraming salamat, Madam M. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
On
much
your
din po.
face, we can really see that you really enjoy this. Okay, don't
Yes, I do.
too seriously because this is just for academic purposes. We just wanted to show that there's such thing as pattern differentiation according to the 6 levels,
Well,
ages.
Doc, I'm taking it seriously because this is the foundation of our yung future treatments natin. So,
Oh yeah, okay.
foundation natin yan eh.
Oo nga.
Everything,
Parang it
lahat
encompasses
yan.
everything, di ba? Oo.
Yes, Doc.
Yeah, thank you so much, Madam M.